evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to take you through the 9th edition of Kavincare MMA Chinnikishan Innovation Award function. There is only one thing stronger than all the armies of the world. That is an idea whose time has come, said the famous French novelist Victor Hugo. However, innovation too is an idea, is critical to accelerating solutions. Innovation leads progress. It has propelled India to a higher plane. Today, we are in the top 50 league in the Global Innovation Index. We are indeed proud and happy to share with you that we played a small role in catalyzing few individuals to achieve great innovation ideas. Since the year 2011, the Kavincare MMA Chinnikishan Innovation Award honor entrepreneurs who have embodied the qualities of late Chinnikishan, father of C.K. Ranganathan, Chairman and Managing Director of Kavincare Private Limited. Mr. Chinnikishan pioneered sachet packaging. He strongly believed what the rich man enjoy, every common man should be able to afford it. Today, his innovation can be seen in every shop, which is a testimony to his dreams. In the midst of pandemic, serial lockdowns and restrictions, how do we go forward in terms of selection and award process? MMA and Kavincare took the challenge head on and we innovated. We switched on our gears to 100% online process, right from calling nomination to evaluation to jury meet till today's event, we went everything online. Such an online award process would have sounded sheer crazy 6 months ago. That is what exactly great innovations happen around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this award is a great opportunity to celebrate innovators. In addition to Innovation Award, we will also present 2 awards to great ideas. Any idea which is scalable, which could be converted to great business opportunity and also beneficial to the common people. On behalf of Kavincare and MMA, I thank Mr. Sanjay Kirloskar, Chairman and Managing Director, Kirloskar Brothers Limited, for so kindly accepting our invitation to be the chief guest this evening and also present the award to the winners. Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed my privilege to present to you Kavincare MMA Chinnikishan Innovation Award function. Now we would like to showcase Mr. Chinnikishan's story of sachet revolution. May I have the AV, please?
One fine morning. That day started pretty normally for Chinni Krishnan. His wife Hema went about her daily chores, the children left for school. And as always, Chinni Krishnan rode his humble bicycle and went to his school where he taught mathematics. But that particular day, his head was in a different space. He was immersed in a sea of thoughts. He carried it home that evening. He had made an important decision. He had quit his job. He wanted to pursue his dreams. Whatever a rich man enjoys, a poor man should be able to afford. Equipped with an unbreakable will, Chinni Krishnan decided to make pharma products affordable to the poor. He made single-dose packs of sulfonamide, Epsom salt, boric powder and arrowroot powder that were being sold only in big packs. Shortly, he set up his own pharmacy at home, Vales Pharmacy. The dream had gained momentum. Chinni Krishnan and Hema were travelling to Chennai. A thief stole their bag and added the much-needed twist to the tale. When the bag was retrieved, Hema noticed that the glass bottle with hair oil kept inside the bag had broken and had messed up all their clothes. Hema's casual suggestion on monodose packaging for liquids set Chinni Krishnan thinking. This was the first step towards creating sachets for liquids. A hose pipe sparked the idea of a sachet design. Though it was logistically challenging, it pushed Chinni Krishnan to innovate further. A simple plastic sealing apparatus was the next inspiration. After multiple trials and errors, Velvet was born in a pillow pack. Chinni Krishnan started selling them directly to retailers. The going was slow but seemed promising. Chinni Krishnan passes away. Suddenly, abruptly, leaving behind his big dream. But the idea was so path-breaking that it had to reach out. His sons Rajkumar and Ashok Kumar took over the mantle. Shortly, they were joined by Ranganathan and Kumaravel, his other 2 sons. After braving a lot of struggle, skepticism and adversity, they did it. Velvet was accepted. More and more people embraced it. As the world gaze increased, it became obvious that sachets were here to stay. As time passed, companies that were apprehensive started trials. Every big multinational followed suit and started selling shampoos in sachets. After all these years, Cabin Care has carried forward this great dream. Now every product in every category is available in sachets. Sachets have touched 1 million lives, changed people's lifestyles forever. One man's dream, without which this revolution would have remained a dream. Late Sri Chinni Krishnan, the father of sachet revolution.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a great pleasure to welcome you all. I take great pleasure in welcoming our chief guest of the day, Mr. Sanjay Kirloskar. Sanjay, thank you very much for acceding to our request and coming and facilitating this function, despite your busy schedule. My father, Chinni Krishnan, was a dreamer. He dreamt of very small things, but made a very big impact in the society. His philosophy was very simple. Whatever a rich man enjoys, a common man should afford to. With that philosophy in mind, he developed the first sachet. It was not easy. In those days, the sachet machines was not available. And he went on to his own various modeling and trial and error methods to finally arrive at the sachet forms. He rolled it over and he tried in its own way. But in those days, the patenting the products was not that much of a knowledge to my father. It was good that everybody followed suit after some time, and that way the sachet innovation became very popular, not only in shampoos or in hair oils, but across categories. And I'm very happy and delighted this has created millions and millions of jobs. Today, Kavincare, having grown from the innovation what my father did, I think very fondly look back and with a lot of gratitude to him for having given this great idea based upon which Kavincare is born. My father started very small. His factory used to have only 4 or 5 people in total. And from there, he was able to do so many things, but it was always remained small. He didn't had the marketing capabilities, many other requirements, managerial bandwidth, and so on to make the product a great hit. Later, after my father's demise, my brothers took over the business and made Velvet shampoo popular across the length and breadth of India. The very purpose of this award is to encourage the small and tiny enterprise who have great ideas and help them to scale up. How do we help them? I think Kavincare, having grown to this level, having seen so many hurdles in the path, we have grown from nothing, from small. And to this level, I feel it is important that Kavincare supports and helps many small and tiny industries to grow. Therefore, every year, in partnership with MMA, we are identifying and awarding these great entrepreneurs who have terrific ideas but looking forward to scale up. How do we help them? I think we mentor them, we handhold them. I think all my team members spend on a monthly basis time. They can tap us any amount of time they want, but a definitive time that we give, and particularly I am giving my time also to them every month, individually. I think that is very important. The wisdom, the struggles, the wisdom, the ideas, and where to go and tap, what to do, how to have a break. I think these are all the things in a small way we are doing. I only wish a lot of corporate across India take their own might and help many small upcoming entrepreneurs, mentor them. I think that will go a long way in building a very strong India. This is a small bit from the stable of Kavincare. I'm happy and exceedingly thankful for all the viewers for encouraging us year after year. Thank you. Let's now see the global innovation.
very thankful to distinguished chairman and the panel of jury, process advisor Ernst & Young, who joined us online to evaluate the nominees. The panel was chaired by Mr. Santanam, chairman and managing director, Sin Gobind Private Limited. We now showcase the jury process to select the final awardees. AVP.
9th edition of Kavincare MMA Chinni Krishnan Innovation Awards 2020. What the rich man can enjoy, the common man should be able to afford. Words of wisdom from our very own visionary innovator, Sri R. Chinni Krishnan, the inspiration behind the celebration of innovators and their innovations. Our country is a wellspring of innovations. This fact was once again proven by the fact that hundreds of entries poured in from all corners of the state when we invited nominations for the Chinni Krishnan Innovation Award 2020 through our media partners Pudiya Thalaimure, Pudu Yuham and Big FM. The entries were put through thorough scrutiny using tried, tested and transparent procedures by our process advisor Ernst & Young.
This year, the number of nominations received across both the award categories, that is innovation and great new ideas, has been significantly greater than that in the previous years. Also, the nominations received are across a wide range of disciplines. As you'd all agree, innovation cannot be a one-time event, it has to be a continuous process. I now congratulate all the nominees and winners of today's awards.
Awards this year are presented under two categories, the Best Innovation and the Great Ideas, along with a special jury award. The pandemic proved to be a challenge to our usual methods of evaluation, for which our team responded innovatively by designing an entirely contactless digital process flow, right from reception of applications to documenting the innovation and recording the testimonies of the nominees. These were presented to our panel of eminent jury that comprised of members from diverse fields such as manufacturing, academics, investment and law, who met through virtual portals and decided on the winners.
And it was a riveting process for us. We originally thought we'll spend 2 hours. We spent 3.5 hours. The process was completely digitalized. More than 10 of us were debating each and every idea, invested considerable amount of time in understanding the nuances, and fantastic amount of discussions. And one new idea, which of course the MMA Kavincare team did, was really connect us immediately with the innovators and the idea creators. And that was fantastic because we could see them, dialogue with them as to what motivated them, what are the next steps in the innovation process. Every one of this was much better than if we had sat in a boardroom and discussed this. What was fascinating for us is that we've had very young people coming to us. This has been one of the most satisfying and inspiring involvement that all of us had. Best wishes to all the winners.
3 exceptional innovators and 2 great ideas were selected from the shortlisted candidates based on the uniqueness of the innovation, its contribution to society, and the scalability of the business model. Kavincare and Madras Management Association take pride in welcoming you to the 9th edition of Chinni Krishnan Innovation Awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the most awaited part of the award function, the presentation of awards under innovation category. May I have the AVP?
With the generation of 1.5 lakh metric tons of solid waste in a day, our great nation is slowly getting buried under a mountain of trash. A vision of a clean India is hard to realize without a solid solution to this mounting problem of waste. This prompted engineer Manikam Attapagaundar to come up with an ingenious solution. Dr. Raman Shivakumar and his team at MAC India Limited have designed and developed a zero-waste, zero-pollution garbage incinerating system known as the MAC Green Incinerator. Their system converts non-recyclable solid waste into non-polluting, non-toxic gases and ash that is used completely to make concrete paver blocks. In the end, the solid waste that enters their facility ends up becoming recycled goods, clean air, and paved roads. And the net result is zero waste. By solving the garbage problem, Dr. Raman Sivakumar has additionally solved the potholes problem in Indian roads. Their entire assembly contains a shredding cum segregation unit, incineration block, a filtration and pollution control block, and a brick molding block in one integrated line. While waste was seen as a problem, it has now become a resource. Dr. Raman Sivakumar and his ingenious Mac Green Incinerator have set our country in the right course in reaching our goal of a clean India and a cleaner world. We take pride in presenting to you Engineer Manikam Attapagaundar and Dr. Raman Sivakumar for his zero pollution and zero waste Mac Green Incinerator. The winner of Kavincare MMA Chinni Krishnan Innovation Awards 2020.
And at this juncture, giving us an award by MMA and Kavincare, I'm really feeling great. I'm very proud of you people, and such encouragements will bring in lot of new inventions to the limelight, will lead to a great development in this country. Thank you.
May I have the AV of next awardee, please?
Can our rapidly growing population be fed by the finite expanse of arable land we have? Can any food be grown in our urban concrete jungles without fertile soil? Can urban city dwellers have access to freshly harvested farm produce? Yes, says Mr. Sriram Gopal, the founder of Future Farms, a leading climate control and hydroponic solution provider. Mr. Sriram and his team at Future Farms have completely redesigned and developed a high-tech integrated hydroponic farming system. Hydroponic technology enables farmers to grow plants directly on water without using a soil substrate. This used to be a forbiddingly expensive technology, not feasible for small-time Indian farmers. Mr. Sriram and his team have designed and built indigenous hardware for hydroponic cultivation with a cloud-based climate management system and a smart irrigation and nutrition management system. Our farmers can now have access to this farming technology of the future at a significantly lower cost than the rest of the world because of Mr. Sriram's ingenious innovations. Future Farms has become a one-stop solution provider that provides complete hardware, software, and expert assistance to build and operate a futuristic hydroponic farm. Farmers can now save 90% of water and 80% of land while still producing the same amount of pesticide-free food produce. All thanks to Mr. Sriram and Future Farms. Healthy food for the consumers. More profits for our farmers, less damage to the environment, all made possible by Future Farms. We take pride in presenting to you Mr. Sriram Gopal, founder of Future Farms, for innovation in soil-less hydroponic farming technology. The winner of Kavincare MMA Chinni Krishnan Innovation Awards 2020.
Vanakkam everyone. I'd like to thank MMA, Mr. C.K. Ranganathan and all the dignitaries for choosing Future Farms for the Chinni Krishna Innovation Award. We are truly honored to receive this award. This award is quite special to two people here. One is Mr. CKR, who is who is doing this as a tribute to his father. And I'm receiving this award, on behalf of my father. Whoever I am today is because of him and all the support and confidence that he's instilled in me. I should also thank my family, my wife Preeta Suresh, for tolerating all the crazy things that I did the last 5 years, and most importantly my team, for believing in our crazy vision and sticking by us and toiling day and night for our mission. I see entrepreneurship as two types. There are entrepreneurs as two types. There are value creators and value capturers. Somehow as a nation, we focus more on the value capturers because it's a more quick result and it's more now. But I strongly urge for all of us to focus more on value creation as well, because I believe for every value creator, there will be 10 more capturers, and it is really good for us for the future. Once again, I thank everyone for this award, and I will receive this on behalf of my father, my team, and for all those dreamers out there who are tinkering away trying to build the next big product. Thank you.
May I have the AV of next awardee, please?
Dozens of children get trapped in open bore wells across the country, and most lose their lives before they can be rescued. Even after repeated incidents, there still was no definite method to rescue children and animals trapped in narrow bore wells. Dr. K.P. Sridhar, founder of SNG Innovators, did not want to see any more failed rescue missions to retrieve the trapped children. He swung into action and developed a rescue device that is capable of reaching up to a depth of 150 feet. The equipment uses a simple rack and pinion and worm gear setup, making it easy and efficient to use. It uses hexagonal rods to extend the length up to the trapped child. They also have an infrared camera setup that can reach up to 500 feet with night vision capabilities. In addition to this, Mr. Sridhar also included an attachment that can suck out debris that might have fallen over the trapped child and increase visibility inside the well. Under favorable conditions, it takes less than 15 minutes to rescue a child with this equipment. In the course of the last 17 years, his equipment has been used to successfully rescue 8 children trapped in open bore wells. With lakhs of open bore wells located close to human habitats, this equipment can surely serve to save hundreds of lives in the shortest possible time. We take pride in presenting to you Dr. K.P. Sridhar, founder of SNG Innovators for Invention Borewell Rescue Machine, the winner of Kavincare MMA Chinni Krishnan Innovation Awards 2020.
This is a great honor to receive this Kavincare Chinni Krishnan Award from the great personality, and it is motivating the young entrepreneurs, and it is giving strength to develop their industries, in which I was honored with this award for my invention, and really I should thank MMA and Kavincare for honoring us with this award.
We are now moving to the next category of presentation of awards under Great Ideas. May I have the AV of next awardee, please?
Even in this 21st century, manual scavengers are the ones who keep our sewers and septic tanks in operation. The number of manual scavengers who lose their lives every year inhaling toxic gases in the sewers and septic tanks keeps on increasing. Mr. Amrita Ganesh, the founder of Armada Industrial Automation, thought up an innovative device to save their precious lives. Mr. Ganesh has built a harm gas detector cum harm gas sucker that can be used to detect and evacuate toxic gases that are trapped in the sewers and septic tanks. The manual scavengers now just have to insert the long, pole-like device into the tank. If the device detects the presence of toxic gases, it vibrates, warning the user. The user can now activate the harm gas sucker that sucks out the toxic gases and indicates when the tank is safe for people to enter. The device is affordable and simple to use when compared to alternative technologies such as robotics and compressor technologies that are currently in use. Even though it is better for people not to enter such inhuman environments, until our country reaches the infrastructural requirements to be free of manual scavenging, this ingenious device is sure to save valuable lives of people involved in sanitary work for their livelihood. We take pride in presenting to you Mr. Amrita Ganesh for his great idea, inventor of harm gas detector cum harm gas sucker, the device that can detect and evacuate toxic gases.
Really felt very happy. Thank you so much for offering this award. Actually, our country moves towards smarter technology and we are all using very high-end technologies. At the same time, we have to think about the common man needs and we have to fulfill it. Technology towards the common man, this is my dream. And finally, these awards triggered me to do more and more innovations. Thank you so much. This is a product to protect the life of employees. Now the product got a life because of this award. Thank you so much once again. Thank you for the Kevin Carr and Madras Management Associations. Thank you.
We are also delighted to present the Special Jury Award in the Great Ideas category. Let's have AV, please.
Bodily disability can become a stumbling block that keeps people from dreaming big and aiming high. But one brilliant innovator has tried to use technology to make them independent and lead a normal life. Ms. Shruti Babu has designed a smart locomotive device for mobility challenged people called Sahayata. Sahayata is a unique locomotion device for severely disabled people that acts as a motorized wheelchair, bed, as well as a toilet. Patients can now use this to access public places without having to worry about locating disabled-friendly toilets. They don't need human assistance in transferring from wheelchair to bed or to toilets. The defecation assistance in this device is first of its kind, with a unique cleansing mechanism that offers hands-free packaging and disposal post-usage. The patients can now move around using a joystick or voice command. Thanks to Sahayata, many who are thinking twice to step out can now dare to have dreams to reach great heights. We take pride in presenting to you Ms. Shruti Babu for designing Sahayata locomotion assistant device.
Thanks to Almighty, parents, and to my husband for giving me wings to fly high. Special thanks to jury members who nominated me for this award. Thank you Kevin Carr team and Madras Management Association. I also like to thank BIRAC, DBT Government of India and Kitty BI for providing continuous support. Thanks to Parveez Alam sir from CIIC. This award is for the entire team of Dhanvantri Biomedical Private Limited. Thank you.
We are indeed honored and grateful to Mr. Sanjay Kirloskar for presenting the award to the winners. Mr. Sanjay Kirloskar holds a degree in mechanical engineering from Illinois Institute of Technology in Chicago, USA. Kirloskar is also the chairman and managing director of Kirloskar Brothers. He is a member of the Dean Advisory Council for School of Engineering, MIT. Established in 1888, Kirloskar Brothers is one of India's oldest manufacturing companies. It has manufacturing facility in Netherlands, South Africa, Thailand, UK and USA. Sir, may I now request you to please deliver the chief guest address.
I thank Kevin Carr for inviting me to deliver the chief guest address on the occasion of the Kevin Carr MMA Chinni Krishnan Innovation Awards. I am pleased to see that this award is given to exceptionally innovative minds who are the true agents of India's capabilities. They may be simple or complex, but as one has said, no one
has a monopoly on ideas. I'm also pleased to see that this initiative is not just limited to appreciating the innovation and its creator with a prestigious award, but also supports winners by offering them critical support in the form of financial help, designing, packaging, R&D, and marketing needed to convert that idea into a successful end product or solution. Having an idea is fine, but understanding if it's practical and then actually shaping it into a profitable product or service is where the real challenge lies. That is where vital support can go a long way to transform the idea from a basic concept into a practical and innovative solution. Great success always starts with small beginnings. KBL was founded as a bicycle repair shop by my great-grandfather, Lakshman Rao Kirloskar. Before he established our Kirloskarwadi factory, it was his pursuit for innovation that drove him to overcome one challenge after another. He believed that an idea, whether small or big, had the potential to be successful. It was his belief that led to the launch of India's first iron plow in 1903. Initially, he struggled to create demand, but with time, the plow gathered acceptance and replaced traditional wooden plows to completely revolutionize Indian agriculture. What this shows is that if one has the conviction in his or her idea and the tenacity to overcome the initial setbacks, success will come. I feel privileged to address all of you present today, as each one of you inherently possesses these unique qualities and an inventive spirit within you. I'm aware of the level of energy, passion, and conviction that it requires to bring it to this stage. Innovation is not bound by the level from which it is coming. Every innovation, be it frugal or generic, has the potential to be a big breakthrough if it truly benefits a large section of our people. We need more such initiatives and platforms like the Cabincare MMA Chinni Krishnan Innovation Awards to appreciate inventive minds and talent which otherwise go unrecognized. So be optimistic, be persistent, do not be satisfied with the ordinary, strive to do better, drive for excellence. As Gandhiji said, be the change you want to see, and eventually success will be yours. My best wishes to all of you for your great success.
Mr. Ravichandran Purushothaman is the President, India Region, Danfoss Industries Private Limited and President, Madras Management Association. May I now invite him to deliver the word of thanks, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a proud privilege for me to deliver the vote of thanks for the 9th Cavincare MMA Chinni Krishnan Award function this evening. Let me thank Mr. Sanjay Kirloskar, Chairman Managing Director, Kirloskar Brothers, for having accepted our invite to felicitate the award winners and also for his inspiring speech this evening. We would also like to thank Mr. B. Santanam, Chairman Managing Director, Saint Gobind Private Limited, and the jury members, along with Mr. Krishna Chaitanya, who's been supportive from Ernst & Young. We would also like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. C.K. Ranganathan, Chairman Managing Director of Cavincare, who has been partnering with MMA for the 9th time. Extremely delighted to be partnering with Cavincare and Mr. Ranganathan, who's not only an icon for entrepreneurship in southern India, but also he is a great supporter of MMA. Our media partners, Pudhiya Thalaimurai, Pudu Yugam, Big FM, for having taken this event to the length and breadth of our country. A big thank you to them. Team from Cavincare, Ms. Geeta Krishnan, Mr. Emmanuel, Mr. Sayuj, and finally, Group Captain Vijay Kumar, Executive Director MMA, and his entire secretariat, and a big thank you to everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of the prestigious 9th Cavincare MMA Chinni Krishnan Innovation Award function. I enjoyed hosting the virtual program as much as you enjoyed watching it. This is the first time an event of this magnitude is being brought to you virtually for a fantastic viewing experience. Thank you.